What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Palate for Culture, where we celebrate Black-owned foods, fashion, and everything in between. We are live on location today at the Magic City Fried Chicken and Beer Festival at Good People Brewing Company. Got my partner in crime with me.
What's going on?
Yes, I'm excited. I only ate fruit and water all day.
Juices and berries.
Juices and berries. In preparation. Ain't no vouch for it. Yes, we stand Come to America over here.
Yes.
So I'm excited to indulge in some fried chicken. Apparently they're voting for who has the best fried chicken in the city. So I'm excited. Stay tuned, guys.
I'm a grind, yeah. I'm a shine, yeah. It's my time, yeah. It's my time, yeah. Woo! Work. I'm a grind. In love with the word, that's my God. I'm living blessed, it's my time. Yeah. They try to turn my light off.
We're in line. I got some vegan chicken. So we're gonna try. It's from Not Your Average Leaf. We're gonna try the chicken. So this will be our real time. You ready?
The fries are good.
The fries are good.
It's ranch.
Probably vegan ranch. Is ranch not vegan?
Oh, I think you can make it
You
vegan.
know what?
I don't know.
I don't think it is.
What is it?
I think it's like eggs in it or something. Milk. They put milk in everything, y'all. Okay.
All right. You want to do the honor first? Or you want me to do the honor
You do
first?
the honors. I want to see.
That's different. But it's good.
It's good. Here's the vegan chicken. We got lemon pepper. I try to get lemon pepper wet. As you know, I'm Birmingham all the way, but they couldn't do that.
It's different.
It's good.
Yeah, it's different. It's not good.
Okay. The bone threw me off, but
It's a little
yes,
a stalk or everything.
it's not a bone.
Plant
But
stalk,
it's
whatever
like
it is.
Delicious.
Yeah.
I like it.
Picasso, I like it too.
Picasso.
Picasso.
I like it. So yes, we're in line now, still for A-Train. Quite the line, but so excited to try as much chicken as we can. You know, everything is like full price though, so you know we might not be able to get that much, but we gonna make it do what it do.
Try.
We gonna make it do what it do.
We gonna see.
A few moments later.
Willie had to get himself something to drink. Now what is this here?
This is a blue raspberry lemonade.
Blue raspberry lemonade. From this place over here, My Planet Punches and Trees.
They got food. They got
They have food?
They got bono cake. Real.
Oh, okay. I'll have to check them out.
A lot of treats.
I mean, whenever we get out this line, you know,
maybe.
whenever we do, we will. We're getting there, y'all. I can taste it. So I just went and saw my girl Kai at Just Good Flavor Company. I'm gonna include the footage. Definitely check her out. She has a lot of great salt-free seasonings and just like a whole lot of stuff. And I got me some of this lemonade, Just Good lemonade. It is so good. How happy he is. We finally at the line or at the front. Okay, so now that y'all saw it, I'm gonna taste. This is the lemon pepper. And I love how it's like firm. I love how it's firm. Like I hate when wings are like, you know, not firm. This is the mild. That's a black king right there. I'm just playing. Y'all, this is a good mild wing. Oh my god. Mild wings sometimes, and they're like barbecue-y or like ketchup-y. But this is like literally mild. Like not hot, but mild. Okay. Okay, A-Train Station. I see y'all. I don't know what I like better, wings or flats. What do y'all like better? Let me know below. Okay. Garlic pepper? Garlic pepper. Oh my god. So what do you think? Like, was it worth the hour wait?
Nothing in life worth an hour wait.
Nothing in life is
But no,
worth
it was
an
good,
hour
though.
wait. But it's definitely worth it. This cake, Angel's Home Bakery, specialty cakes and treats. Willie already tried it. He said it was good. It's moist. I'm not a big sweets person, cake person for real. So I had him taste it to be like, is it solid? It's solid. Okay, so let's check her out, guys. Angel's Home Bakery. We're gonna wrap it up soon. Didn't get to try as many places as I would have wanted to, but the lines were so long, which I guess is really great actually. So I'm happy for them with that, but it ends at 5, I think. I just could not stand in another line for an hour, y'all. I know I'm a foodie, but I ain't got a palate for long lines. That's a long time. So apparently you get free beer with entry, but y'all, I can't do another line, and I don't even like beer like that. So we're gonna ride on out. We're gonna ride on out. Oh wait, what's Willie doing? Alright, I'm not really a beer person, but I don't know, something light.
Do you like seltzers? Like White Claw, True
I don't like White Claw. I like, I've had craft beer before. I had like a blonde.
Yeah, same as Cahaba Blonde. What do you
Like
got?
a Cahaba blonde.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so I got like a light skin beer. I just tasted a little bit of it. It's definitely not for me. But it came with the ticket price, so I'm gonna get my money's worth. Point blank period. I don't want that. Yours is like, what
Snake
is that?
Camp. It's a snake
That's
camp.
like Oktoberfest or something. I'm here with my beautiful cousin. You probably recognize her because she's like a celebrity. Beautiful eats and things, little eats and things. I got it right? Yes. She's an amazing registered dietitian, body positivity. Like, she's one of my sheroes. So definitely check her out. She was one of the judges for today's event. So yeah, we're just having a good time. I got my light skin beer. Anyway, signing off. I had a great time at the event. Didn't get to try a lot of places, but I will definitely show y'all everywhere that I got to see, and I will see y'all on the next one.
Get it apply, no delay. Hey, he give it away and they give it away. Say they don't make the same mistake. Hey, kept walking in low when I feel hate. New word try to crib me, I didn't break. Kept going banana like teenage. When you thought it was cool to go take breaks. Through Christ, I'm destined to be great. Even when I'm facing lack, my situation won't beat me. Homie, and that ain't no count. Might not be busting the text. Yes, sir, I be scrap. You think I'm just talking about music? Man, it's deeper than rap.